Hello, namaste, and welcome. This guided meditation focuses on sensing opposite areas of the body, drawing your focus back and forth in rhythmic patterns to help pause habitual stress patterns and to help settle the mind into a place of more ease. Thank you for meditating with me. Let's begin. Make yourself comfortable, sitting in a chair or lying down, your back straight if possible, arms and legs symmetrical. Do what's comfortable for you. Close your eyes if that feels right. And as you breathe in, you may want to gently shrug your shoulders slightly up towards your ears. And when you breathe out, release the shoulders, also releasing tension. Another few breaths like that in your own time, slow and easy. And when you breathe out, you might want to open the mouth a little and whisper sigh the breath all the way out, letting go. Perhaps move your jaw a little from side to side, releasing tension that may be in the face, the mouth. Release any tension in the forehead. And whenever you're ready, allow the breath to settle into its natural rhythm now. And notice how you feel. Notice your mind, your thoughts. Be curious about your current state of being without judgment. Make any adjustments to be completely comfortable now as you settle in. Allow yourself to be here now, fully present for this meditation. Feel the contact points between your body and whatever is underneath you, supporting the feet, the legs, the buttocks, the back, your head. Feel gravity encouraging your body to let go, to soften, to release. Now move your focus through the body, guided by the words of this meditation. Feel each area, and then take your attention to the next area. It's okay if you don't feel every point of this body scan. There's no way to do this wrong. Simply follow the words, keep coming back to the meditation, moment by moment. Beginning with an awareness of the throat. Feel the back of the throat, the inside of your mouth, your tongue, your top lip and bottom lip. Feel the jaw, right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek. Feel your nose and the tip of your nose, right nostril, left nostril, right eye, left eye, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, eyebrow center, place between the eyebrows, top of your head, back of the neck, front of the throat, heart center, center of the chest, right shoulder, right elbow, right wrist, right hand, back to the heart center, all thoughts appearing, let them appear, let them drift in and out, and keep coming back to the words of this meditation. From the heart center, feel your left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist, left hand, and back to the heart center. Now the belly, feel your belly, pelvic center, feel the pelvic center, right hip, left hip, right knee, left knee, right ankle, left ankle, right foot, left foot, and up into the pelvic center. Right buttock, left buttock, base of the spine, slowly up the back, zigzag movement, lower back, from right to left, left to right. Middle back, from right to left, left to right. Upper back, from right to left, left to right. The whole of the back, the whole spine. The whole of the right arm, right arm. The whole of the left arm, left arm. Both arms together. The whole of the right leg, right leg. The whole of the left leg, left leg. Both legs together. Right arm and left leg together. Right arm, left leg together. Left arm and right leg together. Left arm, right leg together. Now feel the whole body, the whole body, right side, left side, front and back, center of the body, the whole body. Feel the areas of the body that are relaxed. Notice all sensations, holding your body in gentle awareness. Whole body resting and at ease. Body resting, mind releasing. Receiving each breath with ease, in and out. Body resting, mind releasing, softening moment by moment, deeper and deeper, resting and peaceful. Enjoy this meditative state between waking and sleep. Your body in deep gratitude and relaxation, while the mind is gently aware and awake. This guided meditation is complete, and you might choose to remain in this conscious rest state of meditation for as long as you wish. Body resting, mind releasing, or whenever you are ready, you can open your eyes. Take your time. Body peaceful, calm and peaceful. I hope this meditation has brought you a sense of calm. Thank you for sharing this time with me. May you have a good day or evening, and I look forward to meditating with you again soon.